I need a 3D printer, but I can't find one.
Hey, I can help out. I'm part of Anywhere 3D, an online 3D printing service that connects people who don't have 3D printers to people who have 3D printers, like me. Anywhere 3D offers one of the cheapest online 3D printing services, while also allowing users who have 3D printers to have a source of income. We can start by registering on our website.
After registering, customers can select from our list of verified 3D printers to print their projects via our order form. Based on feedback from initial interviews, we implemented several user-friendly features, including a price estimation algorithm, a reviews page, and optional USPS shipping. To further improve our product, we implemented A/B testing through WIS Analytics to determine which changes our users like the most. If any visitors on our site have any questions, they can always contact us through the chat, through the contact page, and through the forum. Now let's bring it to Aiden.
Thanks, Anya. Our product, Anywhere 3D, offers a variety of benefits in comparison to our competitors Xometry and Protolabs. By connecting customers to their local printers, we shorten the time between sending an STL file and printing to just a couple hours. We're also far more affordable for engineering hobbyists, who will be saving hundreds of dollars using our product to turn their ideas into life.
In 3 days, we received 25 leads from our landing page tailored towards engineering hobbyists and robotics enthusiasts. We acquired customers through free marketing, including social media, personal contacting, and cold emailing. And we expect a customer acquisition cost of $5 when we use paid ads and partnerships in the future. With our MVP website, we were able to reach $270 in sales, reaching our sales goal, with an average sale price of $16.92 and a cost of goods sold of $9.42, comprised of the printer's commission and shipping costs. Taking into consideration our projected expenses and customer growth, we will break even by October 2023.
After LaunchX, Anywhere 3D has two main goals. The first is to expand our marketing strategy and build partnerships by collaborating with similar marketplaces and finding leads through social media. Our second goal is to expand our services to include more tools, including CNC machines such as millers, grinders, and lasers. Here at Anywhere 3D, our goal is to make 3D printing easily accessible by anyone, anywhere.